Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a beauty story time video. I want to come on and tell you guys what happened to me at the nail salon while I get ready for my date. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get right on into it. So yeah, I gotta find a way of getting content out to you guys. My day been very busy lately, but guess what happened to me? Listen, I went to the nail salon, right? And I wound up going to a different salon than what I normally go to, right? And I went to the salon because the other salon that normally do my nails kept popping off. They do them nice, but they keep popping off. Y'all ever did that? Like y'all will go to a salon because y'all really like how they do y'all nails, but either they grow out too fast or they keep popping off. They just don't last. Like you see other people nails, they growing out to the tip. But yours keep popping off every week and a half. Like if you don't get it done by a week and a half, your nails is gone. So anyway, I went and I let this other salon do my nails. And this how I got my nails done. And let me tell y'all, from the last time that I had my nails done, they was longer. So I got them cut down, reshaped, repolished, and filled in, right? Them people charged me $35. So I wound up going to the other salon though because I wanted them to do my feet, right? So when I went to them to let them do my feet, I go to lime, get my lime drink like I normally do, sit down in the chair feeling like a star, a straight star, right? So I sit down in the chair, drinking my little lime drink, getting my back massage from the chair and stuff like that. I set it to the stage I wanted and everything like that. So now the lady does my feet, and I like the way they shape them because they make them look natural. They don't look like Tic Tacs on my toes, right? You know, the little chiclets, rather. So anyway, the lady finished my feet and stuff like that. I had redid the overlay. I took the old ones off and had her put new ones on. So when I got finished, right, the owner wound up ringing me up because the lady had went to the back. So he said, $47. I said, what? $47. Boy, I promise y'all. If I wanted to fight that man, but we already know that's the last people you want to get in the fight with the Chinese, because you always had this little stigma in your head. They all know how to do karate, right? But I swear I wanted to fight that man. $47 for a pedicure. I'm like, you gotta be kidding me. I'm like, how much is it? Oh, it's $27 for the pedicure. So how it goes from 27 to 47? $50 for a pedicure? So anyway, he tells me, oh, it's 27 for the pedicure. Plus you got a polish change and you got an overlay and you got gel polish. Y'all don't go to thinking that I'm cheap, even though this is beauty channel on a budget, right? So y'all know we on a budget, right? We still gotta look good even on a budget, you know? So I'm like, okay, but that's 20 whole. That might be, I don't know. Anyway, I'm still mad because I called back the other salon that was 15, 20 miles away, right? I could have just stayed there, and guess how much they charged? $35. So 27 is for the regular pedicure and 20 for the overlay and for the gel polish. That do sound about right, but skip that. I could have stayed where I was at and got it done for $35. $12 whole cheaper. $15 whole, whatever. Yeah, it was cheaper. So I was mad about that. I said, you know what? I'm just gonna have to counsel them on how to do my feet. They didn't do a bad job, but they made it look like almond shaped toenails, and that didn't look right. That looked like some kind of monster toes. So I was like, I ain't want them doing my toenails no more. But they did the pedicure and they put the overlay on good. So I just have to counsel them and teach them how to shape my toes. Make it look like a spoon, like a soup spoon. Round it, round it, round it, round it. There you go. I wanted it to look like a soup spoon. Don't make no little tip. Don't make it go up the least little bit like this. I don't want no almond nails on my toe. What's wrong with you? That was the only thing a problem I had with them with that. But that was about it. But yeah, man. Dang, my story ain't even last long enough for me to do my eyes. So I guess this is a get ready eyebrow tutorial story time. So I left. I normally be laughing, kiki with him and stuff like that, asking him, do he want to drink from line? But all that was canceled. I was out of there. I left. I was so pissed. I cut him with my eyes. I promise you. I promise you. But if he wasn't Chinese, we would have had a whole all-out fight. I wonder do all Chinese really know how to do karate. I'm pretty sure they don't. But, you know, that's a stigma that you do have in your head. Not to be like, you know what I'm saying, not funny or whatever. But y'all tell me, do y'all be thinking like that too? Because why you think all these people go to the Chinese place and the Chinese can mess them up and they'll never get into it with the Chinese, but let you go to a black salon and see, don't you wild out? Or anybody else, you wild out. But people don't act like that when they go to a Chinese salon. And Chinese done messed you up plenty of time. They always with this universal shaping. They shape everybody nail exactly the same. And stuff like that. And they do, when they do pedicures, I hate when, you know, they gotten a little better, but they used to always do these pedicures up, down, left, right. And boom, 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 get you out the chair. You don't even have time enough in the chair to relax. I don't know, man. But anyway, that's what happened to me at the nail salon. I cut that man with my eyes. I looked at him and I said, you know what? You ain't got to never worry about me coming up in here again. But I always be thinking, you can't threaten the Chinese with nothing like that. Because guess what? They be thinking it's going to be another black person coming through the door to replace you. And we only can do but so many of y'all. So it's like, can you really threaten the Chinese and tell them you ain't coming back to them when they screw you over and stuff like that? But let me know, how much y'all pay for a pedicure? Am I tripping? That don't sound like a lot to y'all, $47? That sounds like a heck of a lot to me. Like $50 to get your feet done. And I'm like, I started looking at my feet. I'm like, they better look like they glistening green. You know, they better look like $50. I was so mad with him. But anyway, like I said, I think I'm going to go back to the ones who do my hands and just get them a little bit more directions on how to do my feet. Because I had got up out that chair like, y'all know how y'all be disappointed when somebody do y'all stuff and y'all be like, and you know what? Let me tell y'all this. I don't know why it is that I can go to McDonald's and stuff like that. You know what? Probably because there ain't no Chinese there. That's what it is. I'll go there and be tripping right down to the least little bit how I want my stuff. And I want it right. And I be like, I'm paying. I don't care if it's $1. But here it is. You go to the Chinese and you don't even act like that. That's crazy. I'm all out of supply. But yeah, so make sure you guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification button and the subscription button. And also follow me on Instagram. I always show the outfits and stuff like that on Instagram. And any other information that you guys want me to give, make sure you let me know. You can let me know on Instagram. You can comment down below on this video or any video and stuff like that. That'll be really good. But if you follow me on Instagram and you let me know in a message like what it is what type of videos you want to see, I am going to be doing a virtual shop with me video or at Rainbow. Yes, I think that would be really good because, you know, sometimes you're not able to get out. Because I got people in Germany and they still not out. So I thought about that. So let me do a virtual video shopping. So if y'all want to see that, let me know. And give me some video ideas. Let me know. This is a new channel. Let me know what else you guys want to see. What other stores you want me to visit. Things like that. If you guys are enjoying the videos. What it is that you like and what you don't like. You know, just comment in the comment section down below. I really want to get to know ya. I want to know your name. Look, I ain't one of them YouTubers that be getting mad. I be wondering, why do YouTubers get mad when people say something and I'm going to tell them something that they don't like? It's like, what you want? People just sit there and watch just because you like it. Y'all know I have a whole other channel named A Black Man's Dream, right? And I used to just post, and I used to post about me. And it got me absolutely nowhere. I was posting about things that I like. But it was nothing that nobody was looking for. So I had to start over. And I'm like, okay, post about stuff that other people are looking for. And yeah, I know y'all looking for Rainbow. So I know y'all was looking for Rainbow just like me, because, you know, we love Rainbow. So I started doing those videos, but I will be incorporating other fashion videos too. So I am going to work and I'll be working outside. Like, I do Instacart, and I absolutely enjoy working for myself. I do that as a side thing until y'all, you know, I build up my channel and stuff. But yeah. So anyway, that's what happened to me at the nail salon. I almost got into it. I ain't almost got into nothing. Girl, you know your place here at the Chinese with the Chinese, don't even try it. All right, so as y'all can see, I don't put on much makeup when I'm going out to work. I just want to keep a fresh, clean face so that I can look nice when I'm out there working. Because you don't know who you're going to run into. You, like I told you, got to always be looking nice when you walk out this door. I don't care where you're going. So anyway, in the last order that I did, I wound up at the Porsche Towers here in Miami. And it was looking absolutely beautiful. I was like, If y'all don't know what the Porsche Towers is, it's this beautiful multi-million-dollar building, right? I think the lowest condo there is 3.6 million. Okay, the lowest. They have the people there have their cars inside their apartment. Okay, yes, they can park it. And then I was flying over the towers with my mom on her birthday one year. Boy, I almost passed out. That's a time to remember, because I never been off the ground, right? So my mama wanted to do. She kept, when we moved in the neighborhood, she kept seeing these airplanes that she wanted to ride on, right? So I wound up taking her. That was a couple of years ago. But anyway, I had never prior to that been off the ground in an airplane, helicopter, slingshot, none of that, right? So I said, okay, I'm gonna get on this plane with her, a little charter plane at that. Your first time off the ground, you on this little plane that you look like you could slip out the back window, right? That was crazy. So anyway, I took her on that plane ride, and I was screaming. And she was like, Mom, don't cry, Nisa, don't cry. I was like, oh. I was crying, right? But then we got over the water. By that time, I had to calm down a little bit. It's almost like getting on a stage and singing and dancing. You scared when you first walk out there. But then after a while, everybody, boop, 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 disappear, right? So we flying over the water, and we went over Porsche Towers. And I saw all the little Porsches, Bentleys, Ferraris, Lambos, everything. You could just see it, like it was like lined up on the side corner of the building. Like it looked like, you know, like you have a wraparound balcony, and it's like you could just see the cars just nice. I said, boy, you gotta get out a little bit more sandwiches, so you can own you one of these spots over here. Just budget out your money, blow up your YouTube channel, and hey, let me get up in there. I'm gonna have one of my little subscribers to come on up over there. We gonna be drinking some champagne. So listen, we gonna have us a giveaway, a spot at Porsche Towers if y'all get my channel blowed up and I start making money, and then I can go over there and buy me a little spot at Porsche Towers, and one of my YouTubers, one of my viewers, I have a little spot over there with me, and we can drink some champagne for a day and what it is. Chillax, okay? But anyway, dream girls. We not Charlie Angels, we the dream girls. So I hope y'all like that name. Let me know in the comment section down below if that thing hit it. Yes, the dream girls. That's right. We every guy fantasy. I like that, dream girls. All right, but anyway, I got to get to work, get these orders out. I love you guys. Ooh.